There's a Lux there. It's got a scroll, probably a Copeland, not sure. Here's the data. Lux there. Pretty much standard. Then you got your Lennox. Your average Lennox. And you got 2001. That machine's like completely fitted. Spinny.
When I showed the logo, I showed my face so they reflected more.
Might be able to get data off that in editing.
I'm not gonna edit.
Bryant, though. Here's the back.
You still have your plastic.
Alright, so we got a Goodman here. Copeland. There's the ground for the building. Here's another Goodman. I'm not gonna bother getting data off these. Ah, yes. Here's a Lennox. I can't tell if that's LG or Copeland. Here's the data for it. There's a Goodman here, so I'll get the data off that while I'm here. Here be Lennox. Motor of all brands.
Some rust on the fan blades. Excuse me. Lennox. I'm excused. Can you believe it?
Looks like the one cat bandit was here.
No, I think that's from a gutter.
Oh, maybe.
Well, maybe it is from you. I think it's from a gutter.
Nah, you're right, actually.
Copeland. Here's a Train XR. Recip. It's not covered.
What's that?
So it's not covered.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely someone was here. These wire nuts aren't even.
Oh, really?
Yeah, someone definitely hacked this
Yeah,
up.
some fucker was back here.
One line's not even attached. What? I'm kind of confused now. Must be they ran a new one or something. Forgot the data. It's over here. Here's a tiny Lennox. It goes to my kneecap right here. Here's the Gibson GE motor. Data, of course, is all on the other side of these units, like every time I record them. Oh, this one's been running. There's condensation.
Yeah, the family was in.
Oh yeah, someone hacked this one too. There's a serial model. Heat pump might come back in the winter. Big defrost. I'm not missing this one.
Nope.
Both reamages. Oh yeah, rootages. Alright, so we have a Heil. It has an LG. See, there's these massive spiders right there. Anyway, I don't want them, so I'm not gonna get the data. Hi. Hi. Alright, I'm done. top was on the ground. I stuck it up there. I just put another thing on there somewhere. Got a compressor blanket. Got a couple massive spiders there. I'm not going for the data. I'm sorry. I'm not risking going against that and that. So you're just gonna deal with this.